Look at the difference now between and ah. Ah, ah, ah. Hello and welcome to Go Global with Michael Roberts. In this video, we're just looking at the difference between the two sounds ah, as in but, and as in about. This is a very subtle difference, okay, and it can be hard for people to tell the difference. This is actually something that I've just been working on with one of my clients, and I want to make a video for it right here so you can really take some value from it if you're watching it. So ah, as in but, comes from the bottom of your mouth. Ah, ah, ah. Look, my mouth is open. My mouth is nearly completely open. Ah, not quite, not ah. Ah, 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 ah. Up, up, up. Whereas when I do the schwa, which is actually one of the most common vowel sound in the English language, it's and this schwa sound appears in the, as in if I'm saying the car, it's and it appears everywhere. So if we take about or sofa, that's the schwa, and my mouth is more closed. Look at the difference now between and ah. Ah, 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 ah. Just practice this, okay? This simple exercise alone is going to be invaluable for learning the difference between the two sounds, okay? For a lot of nationalities or speakers of particular languages, it can be very difficult to hear the difference between those two sounds, ah and So wherever you're from, if you're having difficulty telling the difference between these two sounds, then practice this exercise. It's really going to help, okay? Just keep doing it until you can actually hear the difference and also feel the difference. Watch this as many times as you need to. This is going to really help. And this exercise will make a massive difference to your pronunciation, okay? So give it a thumbs up if it's helped. I hope it has. As I said, these videos are specifically from working with my clients, so they should make a massive difference to your pronunciation. And subscribe for more videos that are coming out like this on a weekly basis for English pronunciation. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and comment below with how you find the schwa sound. Is it difficult for you? Is it easy? Have you been taught it before? Or is it all new? If so, let me know and I can make more content on the subject. See you in the next video.